Today we have a System 11 with Shuffle Bowler ROMs. The serial number is not complete, but it's about approximately 2007XX. Being a shuffle bowler, it was placed in a cabinet in a vertical direction, so this side was down and the battery leakage damaged all of the sound section and some of the main section too. So we have restored it. Now I'm going to turn it on. Good boot. And in the track mode, the bowlers use a display arrangement like System 9. So 4 alphanumeric displays. Now we're going to put it into test. And it's in display test first. So that runs normally. The next thing is the sound test. Okay, and the next thing is the lamp matrix. And all 8 rows and columns are good. After that is the individual lamp, and then the solenoid test, starting with solenoid number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. All of them tested in sequence. The next test is switch test. So first we're going to start with switch 1. Then switch 2, and so forth. Switch 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and switch 8. So that's the first column. Now we're going to go down the other columns. Column 2, switch 9, column 3, switch 17, and the rest of the columns are not, oh, that's one. Switch column 4, switch 25, and the rest of the columns not used. Oh, I'm wrong, they are used. Column 5, switch 33, and yeah, the rest 6 and 7 and 8 are not used on the bowler, but they do work. So that completes the test of the gold mine. Let's go ahead and put it in the track mode again. So we see now it's back in the track mode with high score to date.